Well, Luna and I just got to the trailhead for Mount Charleston, and it's closed for the winter months. So, Luna and I are gonna improvise. I think we're gonna go up Fletcher Peak today. Alright, so it's about 7:45. We're at the North Loop trailhead. That's Luna. She is my she's my companion for the day. She's available for adoption through Hearts of Live Animal Village. So, hi Luna. This is her coat. I got her. It's about 30 degrees up here today, so got her something warm to wear. But we were supposed to go up Mount Charleston trailhead today. Luna and I were, but unfortunately it's closed. I think it closed sometime this week for the winter months because it's starting to snow up there and such. So we had to improvise, and now we are on the North Loop trailhead. We're going to attempt Fletcher Peak today instead, which is ultra. It says 6.2 miles. So I'm going to try and knock this out, hopefully in the next 4 to 5 hours. So wish us luck. Here we go. Come on, Luna. So far, this trail has been nothing but this wooded area. Here's Luna. And this path. It's pretty much just a straight uphill incline every step of the way. Hopefully it levels off soon because I'm starting to get tired. I do wish I had my spikes. This is kind of slippery in some of these parts. This part's a little confusing. I think it's that way. Come on, this way. Come on now. Good girl. Taking a break. Luna, I've learned, can jump really high. We saw some dogs on the trail. That's what she's looking for now. She thinks they're following us or not. Luna, it's okay, girl. She's real protective, very observant. For anyone who doesn't know me that well, this is my dog. I foster shelter dogs a lot. Take him out with me for a day to go hiking and stuff. Hey. So that's the trail there. But I'm wondering what's up there. It's like a good spot for some photography. And I'm gonna go check that out, see what it looks like. Oh, Luna, let's climb up. Going off trail. Someone or something's been up here. Hopefully something's not living up here. I use Luna sometimes to pull myself up. Oh wow. Whoa. Luna's like freaking out. I don't know what she sees yet. Luna. What is it? Oh shit, there's somebody there. Oh, nice. Good job, girl. We were walking, and she was kind of alerted to me. Something was around. I don't know, someone was back there. Good girl, Luna. Watching out for me. My friends last time. Yeah, went up last week to Mount Charleston. My friend asked me if I saw any kitties, mountain lions. And I realized I was so tired going up there that even if I did see some, like a mountain lion, there ain't nothing I could do to stop it if it wanted to attack me. I was so tired going up Mount Charleston. So today, when I knew I was coming alone, I wanted to bring Luna with me. So I come way out here like this, I don't know, I just feel safer when I have someone else or something else with me, kind of look around. Most of the time I'm tired. I'm not really paying attention to my surroundings like I should be. Luna, that is a few though. It's honestly getting hard to find the trail. Right now I'm kind of just wandering around up here. I need to pull the map up. On our break. Luna. She likes beef jerky. Come on, Jeff. I'm hungry. Start watching my video, see how it looked. When I was out here with me, start watching it too. Apple straws, delicious. Apparently dogs love them too. So I got that Cliff Bar, there's a trail mix, and teriyaki beef jerky. I'm realizing this coat might be a little small for Luna. This is supposed to go over her head, but no, I'm fat. That keeps you warm, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're rested up. Luna and I did a short nap / break. Ate most of the food we brought. Enjoyed the view for a while. Now we're gonna make our way back down. Say bye, Luna. Come on, you ready to go? Ooh. Fletcher Peak.